You are so beautiful to me. You are so beautiful to me. You are so beautiful to me. You are so You are so beautiful.
Ay, sabar, cut. Hi, Mi. Grabe kalipay. Kami gi nagkadayon. Way kabutangan rong kalipay.
I feel so excited, of course. And of course, I feel so loved by everyone. Actually, nag-meet mi sa Naga, and then we were introduced by my cousin.
Na ako'y usa ka amiga cousin ni Bangbang. Siya mo yung nagpaila-ila na mo. And oto, after pila ra ka days, 5 days, nagkakami rin. Ako din siyang gipangyaban. Nga na ako kabagag naong.
Fun fact, first date na mo is gibagyo. So, abi na mo bagyuhon po na mo ang kasal. So, ay gani, wala siya na yun.
Hi, Mi. Today and every day forward, I vow to be your partner in laughter, your refuge in sorrow, and your greatest supporter in all endeavors. I promise to cherish and respect you, to stand by you in times of joy and challenges. With each sunrise and sunset, I am grateful for the journey we embark on together. And I look forward to building a lifetime of love, trust, and adventures by your side. I love you, Mi.
ID at first is Baby Love, but nagkalugay is Mami Nadi. We've been for 7 years together, and then this is the day, and na gid ni. Wala ni atrasay, kaya of course nitawo naman ni amin akong pagbagyo, but na ngilak na ko ba. Always remember na naara ko pirmi, and then I will always love you and will take good care of you. And thank you sa happiness for 7 years. I know nga magpadayon gyapon siya hatudan kay imo gyud ko pakataon hadud-hadud. Since pag-una pa lang naton kita. You know already how much I love you and I love you so much.